hotel janitor named Marcus Summers was cleaning room 304 when he heard a strange hissing sound from the bathroom sink. Suddenly, fine yellow sand began pouring out of the drain non-stop, covering the tiles within seconds. When Marcus tried to remove the pipe, the pressure shook the heavy marble vanity. Realizing this wasn't normal, he quickly called the hotel manager. The manager arrived with the building's original blueprints from the 1920s. What they found was disturbing: an unlabeled empty space hidden behind the bathroom wall. A scan confirmed a massive hollow chamber. Emergency plumbers were called. When they broke through the drywall, they uncovered a rusted steel wall sealed behind it. Sparks flew as they cut through the metal. The moment Marcus shined his flashlight inside, his face went pale. He screamed for everyone to evacuate immediately. Whatever was behind that wall was never meant to be found. If you want for part 2,